Hello. Today I have created an index for a book, using the PDF Index Generator program. The index is in PDF format, and I would like to have it in ePUB format, to be used for the e-reader edition of the book. To do that, I will use a program called Calibre. It's a free program, and you can download it from calibreebook.com. After installing the program, run it. Then drag and drop the PDF edition of the book to it. Highlight the book. Then click Convert Books. Set the output format to ePUB from this list. You can notice that there are many other extensions available. A famous extension here is the MOBI extension. You can use that when needed. We will select the ePUB extension for now, and click OK. Done. To export this ePUB file, click the small arrow beside the Save button, and click Save Only ePUB Format to Disk. Let's save the file on the desktop, and click Select Folder. Calibre has generated this folder. Let's check it. Here is the ePUB edition of the book index. We can try opening it using Internet Explorer. This is just a cover image. And the index starts from here. It all looks good. I hope that has given you a brief explanation for how to convert your PDF file to an ePUB file, using Calibre program. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.